what qualities do I look for while recruiting employees? That's a very good question. I'd like to answer. So, of course, first of all, I would say A players, especially I would consider skills. Okay, so apart from skill, I would prioritize one more thing: is the person coachable? If I teach him or her something, can he educate himself or herself, and can he contribute to the company? If the person is coachable, he can help a lot to make a better employee, a skilled employee, experienced employee. But if that person is not coachable, you can't do anything. So I'd like to make sure first is the person is coachable or not. So the third thing I'd like to consider is how important is that job to that employee in the long run. So that means some of the people, they need some urgent cash, urgent money. That's why they're jumping into the company. They work for some time and they leave. They don't have any future career. They don't have any long goal. However, if that's the person, probably I'm not hiring. But if someone has, a strong desire to learn, get skilled, and contribute to the company, and also build a career in that sector, I would definitely recommend, and I'll employ them as well. So 3 things I need to consider. Number 1 is skill. Number 2 is coachable. And number 3 is long lasting. So how long the person will be staying with us. Because let's say, for example, in our student consultancy firm, it takes us 6 months to train up an employee to be consultant, and that's the average consultant. But after 6 months, then they start improving, and probably after a year they can contribute a lot to the organization. So just think about this. If you train up someone else and within 6 months he or she left, that means you have invested a lot of money, time and energy to someone else. You are not getting anything back.
10 miles.
Right, so if you are watching this video and if you are working for someone else, my advice for you would be, if you'd like to find a better job with better salary and all that stuff, first thing is build your skill, improve your skill, right? Shine it. Second thing is hungry to be learned. So if you're really hungry to learn, you can improve your skill a lot more faster. It might be by your boss, it might be trainer, it might be outsourcing, it might be workshop, it might be virtual training, whatever it is. The third thing is find out the roadmap. So what's your career goal? Where are you right now and where you would like to go? So if you answer these 3 questions, I would strongly believe that you will be a better employee, you will be getting paid a lot, and you will build your career in this industry in the quickest way. Thanks for watching.